Hello, my name is Dennis Boyle, and I will be presenting local and national resources for autism spectrum disorders. These are great resources for families with who have children with autism. Three local resources for families with autism disorders that I found were one, the Regional Center of Orange County, two, Cal Optima, and three, California Autism Foundation. So the Regional Center of Orange County, when I went into their website, they had over 50 plus resources for children and family of ASD. Some of these resources that I'm going to highlight are social networking, health and dental care, information kits for newly diagnosed children with ASD, and also in-home safety guides, and the list goes on. Another great resource is Cal Optima. There's several resources as well. Some of the ones I highlighted were family support, services for individuals with developmental disabilities and their families, pamphlets and books about autism. And one thing I thought that was really informative and could be really beneficial would be the workshops that they provide or offer to learn more about rights and protections under IDEA. I feel like a lot of parents are lost and don't know where to go or don't know what their rights are or their child's rights are when it comes to their education. I think this is a great website to attend those workshops to know more about individual rights and protections for their child. Another resource is the California Autism Foundation. This is where parents and families can access several services and information on ASD, join a support group, learn about early interventions, and there's also websites for parents to help understand and access special education services. The California Autism Foundation website, I feel like one thing I would highlight is they can join a support group. Having that support group for families, I think, is really critical. Knowing that the parents are not in it alone, there's other parents that are in the same situation, and they can learn and build that confidence, knowing that there's other people that are in the same situation. The support group would be something I would definitely highlight and recommend to parents. So moving on to the three national resources for families with ASD. The first one I found was the Institute of Education Sciences. Second one is the ARC, Autism Now. And then third is the Center for Parents Information and Resources. The Institute of Education Sciences have some excellent resources. They provide resources for parents and caregivers to support the literacy development at home. This website was specific to how to support students in the literacy aspect and the education, while a lot of the other resources supported all the other aspects, providing early intervention, counseling, outside services. So some of the highlights on this website: there's free online curriculum for caregivers. There's read aloud text that targets specific speech and language goals, and also self-regulation strategies to try at home when academic causes frustration. The next one is the ARC Autism Now. They provide resources and information such as in-home and out-of-home respite, early intervention programs funded by local schools, family counseling, after-school programs, behavior training, and parent support groups. This website, I would highlight the early intervention programs funded by local schools. They dig down deep and discuss what intervention programs that schools do fund and how to access those. And the last website or resource, the national resource would be the Center for Parent Information and Resources. This is where parents can find support groups. There are books written by parents for parents of children with disabilities. There's information on special education and related services through IDEA and Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973. Also, parent self-care ideas and caregiver information. One thing I would highlight on this website is the caregiver information. It provides supports for parents as well as caregivers, how to best support children with autism in the home environment. So these are 6 great resources that I highlighted at the local and national level.